Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Ismail, and my two others member is Dilip Kumar Ganesan and Navin Kumar. And our title is Prediction of Traffic Accident. For introduction, our problem segment is predicting the road accident on highways with emphasis on express road. Some country has ordered to prevent accident is very important. So various attempt had been made to identify the causes of road accident on highway using different technique and system and to reduce accident on the road. So the task that we use is classification task, and decision tree algorithm is being proposed to model data from road accident database to determine causes of accident and accident prone location using historical data collection from express road as reference point. The primary objective of this research is to use data mining technique that are decision tree to predict causes of accident and accident prone location on highway using data collected on expressway.
Okay, hello. I will introduce my name first. My name is Dilip Kumar, son of Ganesan. Okay, now I will going to explain about what is the related work we have done to our research paper. So we have taken three related paper. So first is the first instance of related work that anchor by Jagandeep Kaur and Harpreet Kaur. So they are predicting the probability of accident on the road with special emphasis on state highway and ordinary district roads by estimating the severity of accident based on their type of accident, type of spots using R tools. So with the R tools, they analyze correlation analysis and exploratory visualization technique. So this is the first related work that we use as a reference. And second related work is Maher Ibrahim Sami and Biswajit Pradhan. So they are both our anchor, and they are using a deep learning model using a recurrent neural network. So it was developed and employed to predict the injury severity of accident on the North-South Expressway in Malaysia. So the analysis they shown in the RNN model, so it's outperform the multi-layer perceptron and Bayesian logistic regression. So this is the algorithm they are using for this paper. And our last third paper is by TBP Besha and Swan Rahil. So they both of using mining road accident data to improve safety. So they use to predict accident severity, and various classification model were used to build by using decision tree. So the algorithm is decision tree, Navy Bayes, and K nearest neighbor classifier. So that is that for the last paper.
Hello, selamat sejahtera. My name is Navin Kumar. So next I will be explaining the methodology that being used in our project. First, the data set that we use for this project are taken from the website. So the data are about using data mining technique to predict the cause of accident and accident prone location on highways. The attribute consists in the data is date, time, type, season, cost, location. Next, the proposed methodology are decision tree. Where decision tree are powerful and popular tools for classification and prediction. It able to provide clear indication which fields are more important for classification and prediction. data to improve the quality of the training data, on which the data model are prepared for decision making and prediction. Next is about the phase involved in the task. The first phase is about data cleaning, where we use it to fill the missing value to correct the inconsistent data. Next phase is about data integration. It combines data from multiple sources that may include multiple databases. The third phase is about data transformation, where the method are being used are normalization, where the attribute data are scaled so as to fall within a small specified range. Finally, the algorithm that are being used in this project are two-class decision forests. So this module are being chosen because it provides a better ways to predict a target with a maximum of two outcomes. Decision forest algorithm is an ensemble learning method intended for classification tasks. That's all from us. Thank you.
Hello, I will explain about our model. We are using Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio to make the model, and this is our training experiment, which is accident prediction. This is our data set, which we got from the internet. The accident prediction data set. I will show the data. Okay, from this data, we have several attributes, which is date, type, time, season, cost, location, and the registration number. But the data is not complete because some of the attribute is missing, like this in the screen, and another one like this. So we have to eliminate the incomplete data so that we will get accurate result. So we use clean missing data, which is will cleaning mode. We are using the remove entire row, which is the machine learning will remove any data that is incomplete. And for this one, we are excluding the registration number because we are not using the attribute. So next, we will select the column that we will be using, which is type, time, season, and cost. So next, we are using split data. So in the split data, we are using 80% for the training, and we are using a train model that is using the cost, and using the two-class decision for us. And the output is the accuracy can be shows here. Okay, this is the output of the data set that we clean and use the classification technique task. So for this graph, it shows that our data is better, which is, let me show you. Yes, this one. So ours is not too accurate but not too great, so it's in middle, so but it's still better. And this is the data, which is uh, quite accurate for the next step. So the next step is predictive experiment, which we will try to input some value, and the model will predict whether in the specific condition and attribute, uh, the accident will happen or not happen. So we will try. Okay. Okay. First we type. Oh, before that, we will show the meaning of the value. So there is variable description, value, and type. So vehicle type, there's three actually, but one more is uh, medium vehicle. So we will put one more there, and the time F4, which is morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Season has 2, which is wet and dry, and causes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So I have 13 causes. So we will try to predict whether in the specific condition that we give to this model, it will predict whether the accident will happen or not. So I will try one. Time is afternoon. Season is wet, and causes is wrong overtaking. So we got the output, which is the score probability that the accident will occur is 1, which means it will happen 100%. So if the if the people using small car, and the time is afternoon, and season is wet, and the causes is wrong overtaking, it will cause accident. So we will try one more. This time we will use some heavy car, and the time is let's say morning, and season is wet, and the causes is careless driving. So we will predict whether it will accident or not. So in this result, it shows that not 100%, but only 80% the accident will happen. So with this condition, it will happen about 80% accident. So if we see at this one, which is the output of the data set, and you can see with the specific condition that is in the data set, the model has predict the probability, which is that shows here. So there is range from 1 to the lowest is I think about oh yes 1 to 0 the range. So if um the condition is like this, one which means small car, uh, three is evening, and one is wet, and